Welcome to another Innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we will introduce you to the remote control app and its features, and show you how to use it for remote access to a device, for example, for IT support or as a tool for efficient collaboration within your company. With the Innovaphone remote control app, users can access another device from their own and control it remotely. For example, support staff can run programs or adjust settings without having to leave their workstation. Remote control is compatible with the myApps Windows client. This function is not available via the browser. To start a session with a contact saved in myApps, click on the search field in the top left corner. Now you can search for contacts by entering an abbreviation or name. The results will be listed below, and you can select the desired contact with a single click. With another click on the Start New Session button, you can now send a request to the contact. The invitation is sent via app notification. If the app is not open on the target device, a Windows notification appears, which can be clicked to go directly to the app. If the contact accepts the request, the session starts automatically and you gain access to the device, allowing you to control the mouse and keyboard of the target device. Copying and pasting from the clipboard is supported in both directions, as well as various keyboard layouts. During a session, the control panel is displayed on the right side. Here you have the option to display the remote monitor either in a window-fitted size or in its original size. If multiple monitors are connected to the remote PC, you can switch the displayed monitor with a single click on the Switch Monitor button. Furthermore, the sharing direction can be easily reversed. This way, the viewer becomes the sharer and control is handed over to the other party. And of course, the session can be ended at any time. On the remote device, the session can also be ended with a single click on End. To start a session with a contact outside your organization, click the Share Session button. This will generate a web link that you can send to the external contact. If this link is opened on a device where myApps is not installed, the remote control app client can be downloaded. Afterwards, the remote control application can be opened, a display name can be set, and the received session link can be inserted. With the two buttons below, you can decide whether or not to grant administrator rights. If you click on Join Session, you join the session without granting administrator rights. This way, the other party cannot perform any actions that require admin rights. If, on the other hand, the other party should also receive admin rights, you must use the Join Admin Session button to join the session. If myApps is already installed on the target device, you can use the Join Session button to directly insert the received session link and join the session. Contacts with whom a session has already been started are listed below the search field. This allows quick access to frequently used contacts. Remote control can be used free of charge with all features for an active session. With licenses, any number of additional simultaneous sessions can be unlocked. The display at the bottom, 31 of 31 sessions available, shows both the total and the remaining number of simultaneous sessions that can be used by all users of the respective installation. You can find more myApps tutorials on our website, in the Tutorials app, and on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have fun trying it out yourself.